Energy efficiency projects can be found in any industry. Every business that is committed to stability, sustainable growth, and competitiveness can benefit from becoming more energy efficient. The importance of energy efficiency in a company's operational strategy may not be immediately apparent, but it soon becomes clear in the context of financial accounting and costs.
Bread is a staple of almost every person's diet. Even small fluctuations in the price of bread can affect many consumers. To keep the price of bread stable, it is very important to reduce production costs. First and foremost, this means reducing energy costs.
The Bataysk bread factory got its first taste of modernization in 2005, when it decided to replace its old electric ovens with new gas ovens. Financing was provided under a joint program between IFC and bank Center Invest. The transition to new equipment saw per-unit energy consumption drop by several times, saving $141,000 per year. The payback period on the project was only 7 months.
When the question of replacing equipment first came up, we went to Center Invest Bank, which helped us to apply for a loan. The bank had just begun a joint program with IFC, so you could say we all found each other.
The bank developed a new financial service which provides financing as well as consultation to help clients select the type of energy-efficient machinery and equipment that's right for them. The bank also helps clients to calculate the savings that they will realize by being more energy efficient.
Very often, savings achieved by modernizing production can match repayment costs. This means that an energy efficiency project effectively pays for itself in a very short time.
Financing received under this program enabled frozen food company Pirojok to purchase new shock freezing equipment and establish a more efficient production line. Project cost was $135,000. Annual savings achieved were $7,300 per year. But the payback period was only 2 years because the new equipment allowed Pirojok to improve productivity and expand operations.
External financing is an instrument that facilitates work. Obtaining financing certainly made our company raise our game. Everything we aimed to do, we achieved, and we continue to build on these achievements every day.
When a credit application is submitted, the cost-effectiveness of any energy efficiency project is thoroughly analyzed. With IFC's support, bank employees are able to help companies develop a very clear picture of the savings they're likely to achieve.
The methodology we use, which we received from IFC, is highly developed. It involves a special calculation program to make all project indicators completely clear. By using this methodology, it is easy to calculate any project in terms of heat loss, thermal capacity, the type of fuel used, and energy output. It is also easy to calculate the project's potential ecological savings, such as reduction of CO2 emissions.
The new heating plant at Dubrovka was constructed in accordance with all current energy efficiency standards. Project cost was over $513,000. Savings achieved were more than $185,000 per year. The new gas boiler house improved heating quality and minimized heating waste.
Banks need to become more competitive. They have to offer clients something that differentiates them from other banks, something that they could do better. In this context, energy efficiency financing products have the greatest potential in the Russian market.
SME Bank Russian Development Bank, which specializes in supporting small and medium enterprises, operates in over 80 regions throughout Russia and cooperates with close to 200 Russian banks. In 2011, SME Bank sought help from IFC to establish its own program to finance energy efficiency projects.
IFC предлагает
We're very happy to be working with IFC because our visions are aligned. IFC offers Russian banks a fully developed, proven methodology so that bankers don't need to reinvent the wheel. We can simply adopt best international practices to current circumstances in Russia.
Since the establishment of the IFC Russia Sustainable Energy Finance Program, 12 Russian financial institutions have partnered with IFC. Russian banks were able to implement more than 250 projects worth over $213 million. Savings of more than $35 million per year have been achieved as a result of lower energy consumption, an impact matched by clear ecological benefits, with emission reductions of more than 450,000 tons per year. IFC is building on its successful experience in Russia to stimulate investments in energy efficiency in Armenia, Belarus, and Ukraine.
Even though Erste Bank started its energy efficiency financing program only a few months ago, I was pleasantly surprised that we already have between 15 and 20 projects from all over Ukraine queuing up to work with us.
Ukraine's Erste Bank studied the experience of its colleagues in Russia. Having evaluated their success, Erste Bank became the first bank in Ukraine to offer energy efficiency financing to its clients. Like Russia, Ukrainian economy is recognized as being among the most energy-intensive in the world. Potential investment in energy efficiency in Ukraine is estimated to be in the billions of dollars.